deal, baby? We are here at Last Minute Trucks and Coffee. It's what, like 8 right now, 8:30. It's cold. We got here what, like at 7:30. Man, we got here. It was empty.
It's still empty,
It's
but
still empty, but there's people pulling up.
we got a lot of hot shit today.
And shit, you know. But watch out if we get ran over.
Oh man, oh man, who's that? Who could this be?
The Tahoe Master.
Oh my God, you always bringing a different fucking Tahoe, bro.
What is it? SUV King.
SUV King, right? And he not playing. Hey, bro, I think we're gonna have to give you a little bit of competition. We might pro charge my mom's Tahoe. Nah, I'm just playing. He's gonna be like, "There's no competition, bro."
I'm still on motor, dude. I'm still on motor.
I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing, bro. You'll still gap us.
I want to go boosted on either one of my trucks.
Man,
One though. That's $1 million question.
this one sounds so nice. Nice, relax. Now, park up, park up. Imagine he just pulls up on you and gaps you. And us in that. Oh my God.
Hey, but the homie built some badass fucking SUVs. Let's see how this gets though, cause
So how many boosted trucks we have at the moment? We got this bucket. Raw's not boosted yet. He gonna be boosted soon.
someday those two.
But man, we got those two there too.
And
Woo!
then we got, you know, the Hell Keezy.
We got that one.
300.
We got Nando's clone, square head. And then you already know that one, Hell Kizzy.
Well, I think we should go.
Hey,
get some
Luis,
coffee.
let's go get some coffee. But there's a shootout right now. And we're missing out. Should we just leave everyone or should we take everyone with us over
Hey
there?
guys, yeah, they want to go to the races and we out. Cause I mean, we can't race, so we don't have a time.
Oh, we could go see. But look who's here already. That was not his truck that sounded like that.
What?
After, we're gonna have to have a shootout.
That's what I'm saying. Like 2 boosted trucks right there. And that's hard. Oh. Damn. That motherfucker look good, Ruben. Damn, we got some diesels pulling up. De las que ya no hay, fu. With the cop lights. Jeez. Damn, look. Which one y'all taking? That one, or that one right there? Look. Shitting on Raw for sure. I'm recording too for recap.
Something like that. This shit was untouched, plastic on the seats, everything.
Oh yeah.
Liquid cocaine, you want it? What the fuck?
Damn! Look, it's like a little Hot Wheel from here, bro. He's in the drive-thru, but he cleared. Look at the little Tacoma. Yeah. Damn, what the hell happened to that one? That's two. Look. Then they get creamed on. Yeah. And they come on like this. Damn, look, she just gave us a free donut or what? Yes, sir, but look. It's a little fire right there. Look. Damn. Yes, sir. Damn, guys, so look, we got a free coffee. What you get for free, Chris?
They give me a free coffee.
Yes, sir. And I'm not saying we stole it, but look, damn.
We did actually start. Ooh, look at that right there.
Yeah, the homie Frost right there.
We did throw it from 7:30 to
11:30.
So, you know, everybody's barely waking. You know, everybody's like, oh, it's until 11:30.
I'm sure.
Gonna go till 10.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Right now? It's like 10:30 right now, so.
I'm gonna put the Photoshop of fucking Rolex out there.
No, I don't even know what time it is for real. It's probably like 9.
Yeah,
So,
but I'm sure a lot of people are like hungover and shit.
Everybody's barely pulling up. There's a lot of badass girls. It's not that packed, but.
Yeah, look.
Anda crudo, perro!
Nah, but there was
Damn.
another meet. The races were going down over here down the street, so we didn't know about that. And
Hey,
then
y'all can't complain that we got so many wet shit out here.
yeah, hey,
You don't see regularly, like.
yeah, appreciate everybody that be coming out, cause it be random shit and the homie be pulling up. Yes, sir. Look, we got Indio right there, chilling. Hey, where your truck at, bro? Look, this is what he drives right here. Look.
2024, coming out strong.
Yes, sir.
Gonna get that chest off.
Ooh. Chingate algo. All right. Look at this right here. Man, what's up with these guys right here, bro? Look at these dirt bags. What the hell's going on? What is it, just a table? Good table, huh?
Can't show up and pop the hood no more because he always uses it as a table, bro.
What's up with that? Jeez, a Tahoe. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what the fuck is going on over here? I'm only trying to record the truck, bro, but they over here want to fight. Can you guys relax, please? Can you guys relax, please? Thank you. Why?
Scratch this off.
Scratch what off?
And it's for the reluctant. It doesn't shoot the same shit.
We're gonna blur that out so they can't see the name. Nah. It's cool, it's cool. They're a good sponsorship. They about to jump him. Damn.
Did you see how that glitch?
3 boilers. that car right there pulling up. Is it Jalisco?
Bro. You're talking, motherfucker.
It's good, just pop the hood open, bro.
Recap, it looks good when we post all these supercharged trucks.
Look, check this one out right here, guys. It's a good sleeper right here. The homie Nalgon, I mean Barbon.
Hey, good reindeer. Good fucking reindeer.
Nah, but the homie got a blower on it. What?
1,000 horsepower.
Shh. Good magnesium.
Magnesium? How does that shit sound?
Quiet.
Yeah.
Huh? It doesn't.
Try it. Let's hear it. A ver cómo se oye. No pasa nada. Let's see, let's see.
I got a little pulley right there. So
It's cool, I like. A little smaller pulley. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Max.
Check out the little shorty right here. Hold on, we're gonna let Chris get a cinematic real quick. Look at that. And then the second gen over here.
Good Cummins.
Why you say it like that? Hey, horny. It's nice. Chris has some blowing his truck too, huh? On your diesel?
Yeah.
A little
it has
piping?
one pipe that's blue in there. I don't know why it has blue in
It's weird.
all red.
Not weird, but. Sheesh. Look at that right there. Damn, Chris, look at fat ass tire. That's what we need. Now we can use a smaller tire. I don't think we're that fast, but. Ooh. What this got over here? What the hell's going on over there? But look. Damn. That's nice right there. Shout out to the homie. I miss my OBS, bro. Look. What?
All these cars that are here, all these turbos, I need to do a little shootout, huh?
Yeah, it'd be nice. Oh, shit, the police here. Never mind. It's chopping. That look good right there.
Look at the Oregon.
I'm gonna check this one out right here. Damn, and this one too. Oh man. This, bro, these are hard right here. This shit right here is like a Hot Wheel, bro. Look at this. Damn. This is hard though. And it's OBS right here too. It's, man,
Yes, yeah, but I bought it.
super clean. And this one right here too.
So you step on it right there on the San Diego.
Oh, it's like $600, 700. That shit, I don't know about it.
This shit crazy, bro. Look. Damn. Sheesh. She got an LS up in there. Shit, empty back here. Fat ass tires.
everybody's gone now. God damn. Yeah. People just got a ticket right now, so the cops are by the freeway and shit. You ain't gonna do no burnout, bro, but fuck it. You want to, you go ahead. Yeah. Man, these over there smashing.
Well, Luis better start dogging this shit. Nah, go.
Shit, the homie. They put just did a donut around us, bro. But I think we gone now, baby. We gone. I don't know if that was disrespectful or us. Vámonos a la verga, fool. Vámonos a la verga, fool. Damn, he smoked this whole thing up.